Hi, welcome back. My name is Jay Oza. I teach, mentor, and coach people on public speaking so that they can get winning high stakes speeches, whether it's for a job interview, a business meeting, or even a conference. Today, this is like an executive tip, and it has to do with customers. One of the main thing as an executive we focus on is how do we get customers? Because without customers, let's face it, you don't have a business. Getting customers is hard. It's tricky and it can be very frustrating. And one more, it's expensive. Often we're just happy to get customers. And most businesses, when you start, if you're a solopreneur, entrepreneur, or a company, you're just happy to get customers. But then you realize that all customers or clients are not the same. And I've started ranking them now. I give them a simple ranking. Either they're plus, zero, or minus. So let me explain. Minus customers, yes, they'll pay you money, but they're very difficult to work with. You can never satisfy them. And it's not like you can't satisfy them because they want you to get better. It's just that they just want to take, and they don't realize that you're in a business and you're running a business here. Yes, you want to do a good job, but they're not the only client you have. They want special treatment, but they don't want to pay for that special treatment. And you're stuck with them. And you just don't want to get rid of them because you're afraid, like, if I get rid of them, oh, my business is going to drop. But often, you're better off getting rid of them. Now, let me give you an example. My father, who's a tax accountant, he gets stuck with some of these clients that just soak up so much of his time, and he can't charge them more because he's already committed to the, and he doesn't want to go back and renegotiate the contract because that's just the way he is. He's like, look, I negotiated it at that time. I didn't know what they were going to like. Now it's like just a real headache to work with them. And then when the tax season ends, he just kindly tells them, look, I think you should go find another accountant. And often they do, and he's done with it. And he's very happy, by the way, when that happens. Then there are customers that I call them zero. These are customers who just come to you, do their work, they're happy, and that's it. They get their work done, and that's all they're going to ever be. They're not going to do anything more than that. They just want their work done, and you're the person, and that's fine. You need those type of customers because these are the customers that keep your business going. The ones that I call them zero. Zero means that they're just transactional. They'll come in, do the work, they leave. That's it. There's nothing more that's going to happen. But the ones that you really want are the pluses. The pluses are the customers that will really work with you. They want you to grow. They want you to get bigger. They somehow feel they're invested in your growth. They'll help you with the testimonial. They may even recommend you to other clients. So the pluses are the ones that you really need to treat them special. They deserve to be treated special because they are helping you grow. And these are the customers or clients you really need to find out if that's what they're going to become. And you got to tell them what you're expecting. A lot of times we're just so happy to get customers or clients that we don't even tell them what our expectation is. Yes, there's work that you're doing for them. In my case, I coach them, teach them, mentor them on giving speeches so that they can succeed. But what are you looking for in return besides, you know, business transaction? You're hoping that they would recommend you to others, they would give you a testimonial. You need to discuss this right up front. Hey, here's my expectation. I know you want to win. That's part of what you do. That's what I do. But hey, if I win, I'd like to do a testimonial. Is that okay with you? I don't want you to disappear. And then, are you going to help me generate more business? Is that something I can count on you? And if those customers or clients do that, they're your pluses. And it's the pluses that help you grow. That lowers your marketing cost. It makes your work more enjoyable, and you can hire more people. And those are the type of customers you want to seek. your whole marketing can be geared towards getting those pluses. Okay, so let me know what you think. And getting customers is hard, but this is something that I've now come across, and a lot of people out there are just so happy getting customers that they don't realize that there are three types of customers: pluses, zero, and minus. Focus on pluses and be happy that you got a lot of zeros who will keep you going. And if you can make the zeros go to pluses, that's even better. Okay, thank you for watching, and good luck as you're trying to seek more customers.